So guys, in this video we are going to analyze the Intel Corporation share, and here we also are going to discuss what will be the important level targets, important support resistance levels for our next trading session in the Intel Corporation share. Everything discussed in this video. So let's start the video. So firstly we discuss about the trend of the share. As we see, this stock continue its downtrend by continue making a lower low lower high formation on a 1 day time frame chart, and here this stock also go downside by continue following this trend line. Here this stock take multiple time resistance on this trend line, and then we see a clear downfall in the stock. In today's trading session we again see a 3.85% a negative closing in the stock. So now if we draw a regression trend for the stock, then we see the stock continue go downside by continue following this regression trend. Here this stock take multiple time resistance on this regression trend line, and then we see a clear downfall in the stock. From some trading sessions we see some negative closings in the stock from this regression trend line, and here this stock also try to make an M pattern. So now if we stock break this support zone, then from this support zone we can see a clear downfall in the stock again till the levels of 18.75 to the levels of 14 to 12, and here we can see a big downfall in the Intel Corporation share because the trend of the share is very bearish. The stock continue making a lower low lower high formation, and here on an upside we also have this highly resistance zones. Before this zone act as a strong support for the stock, but now this zone act as a strong resistance for the stock. So and from this resistance zone stock we see stock gives a negative closings from some trading sessions. So for our next trading session we see this stock on a 15-minute time frame chart, and here we see on an upside here we have a very strong resistance zone. So the trend of the share maybe in a next trading session we see a negative impact on the stock. So the possible pathway stock can follow, stock can go upside, take a retracement here, and from here we see a clear downfall and a heavy selling in the stock till the level of 20 to the level of 19.17, because here on a 15-minute time frame we have a support zone on the level of 19 to and level between a 19 to 20, and if stock makes some bullish candlestick pattern on this zone, then we can see some bullish recovery in the stock. But here on an upside we also have to consider this highly resistance zone, and the overall trend of the stock is very bearish. So focus on the support zones, and this stock can go downside in a next trading session. So here are some important zones video only for educational purpose. Thank you.